based on sort of accessible forms of knowledge sharing and also education and learning. So that's me. Great.
And peers here, they look welcoming, and it looks like I have everything here that I need to improve my career in art.
It's not what I expected. I thought it was going to be a lot more like uptight than it is, I guess, because I guess a name like Royal College is really daunting.
It's been a pleasure coming here, and I've actually considered coming here in the future.
What I mainly learned was that there's different levels, like different sides to communication. There's a lot more of a deeper meaning to it now to me.